Welcome back to this video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your shop details on the residence POS, so that you make sure now your receipts can show your store name or the when you make sales on the receipt, you can show your shop detail. Okay, your shop details that includes your shop name, the employee that sold, that made the sale, and all that. So let's get into it very quickly. It's going to be a very short video. Okay, so let's get started. So as you all aware, this is the residence POS, and this is the landing page. I already did a video on uploading your products to appear like this. So right now we're just going to go directly into how to set up your shop details, so that now they appear, your store details can appear on your receipt. So all I just need to do is just go to shop setup and shop details, and then here also it's going to ask me again for my access code. This is the admin's password, shop's password. So it's not supposed to be shared with every employee. Only authorized employees should have access to this. So let me go directly into it and set up my shop details. So as it loads, let's see what we have here. All right. So as you can see here, so you come here and just type in your store name. When you're setting your account up, we can help you do this, or we usually do this for you. Or if you're doing it yourself, you can still, or when if you maybe you're changing your store name, or some you've changed some details on your store name that you want to appear on the receipt. This is where you come. So as you can see here, you come here and let me delete that and type it again. So it's Dimples. Yeah, it's Dimples Pharmacy, for example, right? And the shop key, you have to get it directly from Residence Technology. So we will issue out this shop key to you, because this is what connects to your branches. So if you happen to scale up and you create branches, this is what is going to connect those branches to your main store, in a way that your branches can check any stock that is available on the main branch if they don't have it, in their store. And also the main branch can be able to send stock directly to the branches, and also check which stock which product is out of stock in the main store and it's available in either of the branches. So the shop key is very important when you have branches. If you don't, then you don't even need it. And then we have the markup. So we have a markup percentage. So this one, okay, it's optional. You can decide to set it or leave it alone. Then there's the KRA pin if you have one. There's the phone number. These are the details that will appear on your receipt. So the phone number should be and the phone number for the store, or for the store. Then there's the email, there's the country, there's the country, there's the city where that store is located at, and then there's the address number. For the address number, you can actually see here there's a registration form. So for the address number, what usually happens, the system has an address system where you can map your store and have a unique code issued to you by the system, right? Generated to you by the system. So you just need to click on address registration form, and then it's going to open. And then as you can see here, it's going to tell you, okay, what's the county, what's the building name, where the store is located, what's the category of the store, what's the closest landmark. So this is a way for you to detail, like explain in detail where your store is, up to the descriptions part. You can add a contact there, and you can add an image of your store, and also you can add the pin location. So the second you add this, I will show you an example of a store receipt and how the receipt looks like. So this code so when this code is generated, you're going to get a QR code. So any shop, any customer can just scan that QR code and get to your store very easily. And then there's the payment method. You can include a payment method there, so you can decide to whether it's M-Pesa details or the pay bill number, pay bill number or the till number. You can key it in there. And for currency, obviously you're in Kenya, so you can just leave it at Kenya shillings. Or if you want to look more more global, you can say it's US dollars, right? And yeah, you can say it's US dollars. So that's it. And then just go and save. All right. So from here, I'll just show you how a receipt looks like, how now your receipt will look like. So let me look up one receipt here. Just check from the sales dashboard. So let's reprint one of the receipts from here and see how the receipt looks like. Okay, so basically this is how your receipt will look like. Okay, so and as you've seen, it actually prompts you to auto print it. So this is how your receipt is going to look like. So as you can see, there's the store name, the receipt, and the receipt number, the date when the receipt was generated, and then we have the pin, we have the products, the products amount, what was sold, the payment method, also the transaction code, the customer name, if you have if you have one, or if you got the customer name, who served that customer, and then there's okay, there's the email, there's the address, and you see this QR code is the address that I've just talked about. That 440, it's an encoded address. So if you scan this QR code, it should redirect you to that store's address on the map, right? On the map. So that's the best part about the address system. It enables you. So now if you want to share your address, you can just tell them, hey, come to 440 Nairobi, or 440 maybe Kisumu or something like that, right? And then also the receipt, the e-receipt has an option for you to share that receipt with your customer via email, via WhatsApp. So that's basically how you set your shop details. It's that easy. It's not that complicated. So I hope you find this helpful and useful for you to start using the residence POS. So I'll see you on the next one, and I hope you can get started on the residence POS. So see you on the next one, and cheers.